ating pwesto sa parade of competitors.
Hi there guys and gals, good day to every one of you. I'm here in Santa Lucia Mall, Territory Rizal. They're having an event here, Dance Sport 2025, in different schools, different towns, different schools and towns. And the show started this morning, but I haven't got the first few part, but I really love the dancing. All the dancing that you want to see in here, you can have it here. Actually, I wrote it down. Hold on. It's not dirty dancing. It's not a... what's this? Different type of dancings. Tango, rumba, quick step, Venice waltz, standard foxtrot, samba, cha-cha, paso doble, and jive. I really love the paso doble and the jive. So guys and gals, I hope you're enjoying the show. And later, they're gonna reveal who will be the lucky groups who will join the grand finals for tomorrow. This is a 2-day event happening here.
Okay po, again, everybody may request na pumila according to your division at kapag tumali nakapila na
They're having a formation before the host announced the grand final. The group will join the grand finals for tomorrow. Again, I really love the dancing that they have. It's a tango, rumba, quick step, Venice waltz, standard, foxtrot, samba, cha-cha, paso doble, and jive. And before I forgot, thank you Lord for the wonderful blessings that you gave for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Miguel Feabordo, and to my sister, Christine, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much each every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there. Hi, and to all my lovely countries who been supporting my channel. Thank you so much each every one of you. So I haven't had this now for a while, okay? We will be having a part by part for this episode. Stay tuned!